Now onto the guided practice for inequalities in triangles. So on the first one, we want to write the angles in order from smallest to largest, which again means we need to order our sides in order from smallest to largest. So our smallest side is PQ, our middle side is QR, and our longest side is PR. Across from our smallest side is angle R, so that's our smallest angle. Across from our middle length side is angle P, so that's our middle angle. And across from our largest side is angle Q, and that's our largest angle. Then on to the next one, we want to write the sides in order from shortest to longest, which means we need to find our missing angle. So again, add your two angles together and subtract, which you get from 180. We get 95 degrees. And then we need to order our angles in order from smallest to largest because we want shortest to longest. So angle X is our smallest angle, angle Y is our middle length angle, and angle Z is our longest angle. Across from angle X, our smallest angle is YZ. Across from our middle length angle, which is angle Y, is XZ. And across from our largest angle, angle Z, is XY. Number 3, the lengths of two sides of a triangle are given. Find the range of possible lengths for the third side. So we need to take and add these two together. And that gets us 20 millimeters. And that's our higher end. And we need to take and subtract these from each other. And that gets us 4 millimeters. So our answer is 4 millimeters is less than X, which is less than 20 millimeters. Our next two problems, it says draw a picture for each, and we should be drawing a triangle, and we need to label it. So in triangle DEF, so we have triangle DEF. DE is 8 inches, EF is 6 inches, and DF is 10 inches, which lists the angles in order from smallest to largest. So we need to order our sides from smallest to largest. EF is our smallest, which means angle D is our smallest angle. DE is our middle length side, which means angle F is our middle angle. And DF is our longest side, which means angle E is our largest angle. Which one matches? That is D. Then on our next one, we need again to draw a triangle. We have triangle ABC, and angle C is less than angle B, and angle B is less than angle A, which means angle C is our smallest angle, angle B is our middle-sized angle, and angle A is our largest angle. This means that AB is our smallest side, BC is our longest side because it's across from our longest angle, and AB is our middle length side because it's across from the middle size angle. So AB is our smallest one, BC is our largest one. That gives us F. Next up, we want to compare the measures of angle SRT and the measure of angle QRT. So the measure of angle SRT matches up with 4. The measure of angle QRT matches up with 3. Which one's larger? That 4. Which means that angle SRT is greater than angle QRT. Our next one, we're looking to compare KL and KN. KL is across from this symbol. What does that symbol mean? 90 degrees. So KL is across from 90 degrees, and KN is across from 70 degrees. That 90 is larger, so that means that KL is larger. KL is greater than KN. And our last one, again, we want a range of possible values. So again, that's a number is less than your variable, which is less than your highest number. And we need to look at what we have. And we have 53 is across from 5x minus 6, and 62 is across from 9. 62 is the larger angle, which means 9 is the larger side. That means we put 5x minus 6 is less than 9. And remember, the lower end is always going to be 0. Then we solve like we would normally, add 6 to everything. So you have 6 is less than 5x, which is less than not 9, which is less than 15. Then we divide everything by 5. So that gets us 6/5 is less than x, which is less than 3.